My name is Chitrashri HB, and I'm studying BCom second year in RJ's first grade college. And coming to this Adi organization, before we don't know about this Adi organization, and first day, Asmat Shahid sir, Shahid sir, founder of Adi organization, sir, Shahid sir introduced Adi organization to us, what and all they're doing in Adi organization, and he brought us to the Adi organization, and sir started as online class. First day was online meeting, and sir said that what and all the activities are done in Adi organization, and also like sir said that Adi organization is against hunger, like it is like what all the activities and what they provide to others, and also uh, bringing awareness through children's towards education and how to educate people, and more things. And after that we got to know about for Adi organization, and then we joined, 5 members we joined, and then we got to know like what is community service, and also like we got aware, we are awareness, we can do something to society like social service. And also sir said us on that day, sir, we discussed only about timetable, who are going to take us for a week. And first day Shahid sir took online class, it have been completed. And coming to the second week, project manager Aishwarya ma'am, and ma'am took us 2 days. And first day ma'am took us for a cleaning drive. We went to the park and we cleaned. By these we got to know that what the silly mistakes we do, it harms the environment, like throwing non-degradable things on the ground. And we should keep our surroundings clean by avoiding our silly mistakes what we do in our daily days. And also we clean, and the day was fully filled for us, 2 hours something we did, from 3 to 5. All we 4 members went and we cleaned, and it was full day have been completed. And then we learned in that we have to keep our surroundings clean, and also to educate people by saying not to throw plastic, papers, etc., what they use in their daily use. If it's a biodegradable things, we can throw. If it's a non-biodegradable things, we should not throw. And there will be a dustbins in every parks, and we can say them to throw in that. And it was our 1 day completed by cleaning drive. And the second day we visited Gasper Foundation Trust. It was only 1 hour we got from that trust. Like we have to make the children happy, like we need to bring something to them, bring awareness between them. And also we done one activity, I think we played with them. We all combined with them and we played, and the day was fully filled for us. We were happy, and also even we got to know the children's how they are in trust. Actually first time I visited, coming myself, I visited first time, sir, and we felt happy. Like 1 hour was like 1 day to us. It was fully filled. It was a pleasant to us. And also we played with them, and we said them like how future, like a career, we said good studies do. Even Aishwarya ma'am came with us on that day, and ma'am also said us like okay, and introduced ourselves to them, and they introduced us like what they are going to become in their future. And even we said, and we played, and we gave some the snacks to eat, and we returned back. Coming to you, Asmat sir, as a chief finance manager of Adi organization, and you we people met you for 2 times, I think, sir, on that day near park, and at the last time when you people distributed certificate for us. And even you said about our career, something how what to do, like how it helps in our future, and what to follow and what not to follow, everything. Something we got to know new things from you, sir. Actually we did not spend more time with you, but even though like we got to know something new from you, sir. And I hope that even you people, like you, even you accepted some new answers from us, and you enjoyed. I think even we enjoyed with you, sir. We thought to continue our activities with you, but because of college and we have exams, so we stopped. But even though like we will be available for other organization when there is necessary of us, and even voluntarily we joined. I think so 3 members have been joined, or 4 members. Even Imran have been joined. I don't know about him. We 3 have joined as a volunteers. And coming to my own personal, I'll be available for other organization when there is necessary of mine, of myself. That's it. Thank you.